It's Wednesday 19th February, and the markets closed on a muted note after a volatile session. IT and pharma stocks weighed on the indices. Let's dive into today's key market highlights. The Nifty slipped 12 points to close at 22,932, while the Sensex ended 28 points lower at 75,939. Despite the weak close, market breadth remained positive, with 2,806 stocks advancing and 1,152 declining. Sectorally, IT and pharma struggled, losing 1.3% and 0.7%, respectively, while media, PSU banks, realty, and capital goods saw gains of 1 to 2%, supporting the broader market sentiment. Bharat Electronics, Hindalco, Eicher Motors, Axis Bank, and L&T led the gainers list, providing some support to the market. On the other hand, Dr. Reddy's Labs, TCS, Infosys, HUL, and Adani Enterprises dragged the Nifty lower, with weakness in IT and pharma sectors weighing on overall sentiment. Ola Electric stock hit a 52-week low of 58 rupees and 50 paise on Wednesday amid temporary disruptions in Vahan portal registrations due to contract renegotiations with vehicle registration agencies. The company assured that sales remain unaffected and emphasized process optimization. Mazago Dock Shipbuilders surged over 11% on Wednesday, hitting an intraday high of 2,177 rupees amid a market relief rally. The stock had corrected more than 20% in February, falling from 2,499 rupees in January to 1,961 rupees on Tuesday. Strong Q3 earnings, with a 29% YoY rise in net profit to 807.04 crore rupees. Reliance Infra shares surged 6% amid reports of its entry into renewable energy manufacturing, including integrated solar and battery units. The company has appointed industry veterans Ivan Saha and Mushtaq Hussain to lead these initiatives, but no official disclosure has been made, prompting BSE to seek clarification. The broader markets outperformed the benchmarks today, with the Nifty Midcap 100 rising 1.56% and the Small Cap 100 surging 2.36%. This strong momentum reflects renewed investor confidence in mid and small cap stocks, signaling robust market participation. Gold surged to a record $2,946.75 before settling at $2,945, up 0.35%, as trade war tensions and Trump's tariff threats fueled safe haven demand. Persistent geopolitical risks and inflation concerns kept bullion in focus. Investors now await the Federal Reserve's meeting minutes for rate guidance. Vodafone Idea's Q3 FY25 net loss narrowed to 6,609.3 crore rupees, with revenue rising 1.7% to 11,117.3 crore rupees. ARPU improved to 173 rupees, while EBITDA grew 3.6% to 4,712.4 crore rupees. Adani stocks fell as the US SEC expanded its bribery probe. During intraday, Adani Enterprises dropped 4.3%, with other group stocks down 2.4% to 4.2%. Reuters reported the SEC sought India's help in investigating Gautam and Sagar Adani. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.